Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Gnucash, Quicken, and Kmymoney. Gnucash, Quicken, and Kmymoney are all personal finance tools, but they differ in features, pricing, and who they're best suited for you. Gnucash is a free, open-source accounting software designed for individuals and small businesses. It supports double-entry bookkeeping, investment tracking, and scheduled transactions. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Gnucash can feel a bit dated in terms of design, but it offers powerful features if you're willing to learn its interface. Quicken is a premium personal finance tool mostly used in the US. It's known for its polished interface, budgeting tools, automatic bank syncing, bill tracking, and investment performance analysis. It's subscription-based and worked best for users who want a comprehensive, out-of-the-box solution with ongoing support. Kmymoney is another free, open-source tool mainly built for Linux users, though it can run on other platforms too. It focuses on simplicity while offering features like category-based budgeting, account reconciliation, and investment tracking. It doesn't have bank syncing built in like Quicken, but it's great for people who want a clean interface and full control without extra cost. So if you're looking for a free and powerful open-source tool with business-grade features, Gnucash is a strong option. If you prefer a polished, plug-and-play experience and don't mind paying, Quicken is the most user-friendly. And if you want something open-source but simpler than Gnucash, Kmymoney strikes as a good balance between usability and features. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.